It's MTB time. Let's go. Just grab this bad boy off the porch. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what we got. This video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. Click that link down in the description. Go over to Mystery Tackle Box. Use that code Tough Outdoors. Get your first box for as low as $10. It's absolutely amazing. It's like Christmas every single month. We got the what's inside. First up, we got Team Arc Elite Z63, $12.99. That's going to be this bad boy right here. Looks like a sick lipless. Thing's insane looking. Got the rattles. Designed to be the perfect lipless crankbait, it says. Give that a shot. Looks sick. Next up, we got the Strike Pro Astro Vibe UV, $11.99. Looks like a super sick, like, blade bait. Check that bad boy out. Super dope. Next up, Liquid Mayhem Thrust Minnow, $7.49. Ooh, check this out. The Thrust Minnow even comes with the Liquid Mayhem. Put your little sauce on there. Ooh. It's like a paddle tail swim bait. That's gonna be juicy. Next up, Googan Squab Minizinger, $6.49. The old Minizinger. I was just using these this past weekend. Hard to see. Whoa. Just using these bad boys last weekend. Little spinner biscuit. Can never go wrong. Next up, Excite Baits Slim X, $2.99. Nice little stick bait, little worm. Kind of a stick bait. Little worm bait. Check that out. And we got the Sandbar Tackle EWG worm hook, $1.16. Perfect for the little soft plastics. Perfect. We got our Zinger 1 card. The Dibble. And, oh, kicking it old school with a classic. With a classic MTB sticker. Dope. Super sick. Another stacked box. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.